Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today is day 12 of 30 Days and 30 Inks, and today we're looking at Jade Noir by Monteverde, or Monteverde Jade Noir. And this is what it looks like. It's a very dark, rich green with some crazy darkness going on. And I can find it on Google on Anderson pens for 3mm sample for $1.25, or Goulet pens for a 2mm sample for $1.35, or you can find it in cartridges. No, sorry. Or you can find it in a 30ml bottle for $10.97, or a 90ml bottle for $14.50. Those are the best ones. So, this is what it looks like. It is a beautiful shading ink, and if we look really close, you can't really see it too good on the camera, but there is some subtle shading going on in the very, tops of the, and the stroke down, but we'll see that in the notebooks. So today we're gonna, I just want to pop it up against here really quick. This is these are the Crayola crayons swatches that I made. So it is varying toward a darker version of actual green. So that is fun. Not blue, not yellow green, but green. Mixture between green and black. I guess that's basically what it means. It means dark green. So let's set up the journal for the day. This was yesterday's ink. It was diamine green black, and it behaved very well with the 1.1mm stub. You can see the colors. I'm finding that I'm liking the 1.1mm stub. I might have to buy some more for my other pens. We'll have to see. So today is September the 12th. And today is Thursday. It's crazy to think that today is Thursday. It's unbelievable. The pen is obviously the Jinhao 992 with the 1.1mm stub. The ink is Monteverde Jade Noir. Noir. It's a very interesting word. Now, because this was fresh in my pen, it had a little bit of a darker saturation going on at the top, but down here it's starting to mellow out a little bit, so just take that into consideration when looking at these inks. Okay, so let's look at the Hewlett-Packard Inkjet 24-pound 90 gram per square meter printer paper. Ooh, that's a fast drying ink. Barely any time to dry. Super dry. And I don't write particularly fast, but I also don't write particularly slow either, so... And there's no bleed through, maybe a little bit of ghosting here and there, but just where I printed on. Cool. Now we're going to look at the construction paper. Noir. Am I spelling it right? Noir, yeah, okay, good. Just making sure. I love this paper. It has like this weird coating on it that makes it super slick, which is very useful for like smearing, that I guess that is. So, and we're gonna do something different in the visual journal today. Alright then. Since this is a new ink to me, we're gonna go through the papers. This is Mead 10.5 by 7.5. And this is Monteverde Jade Noir. This is such smooth paper. If you have ever written on Mead paper, this stuff is slick. I love it. If you haven't tried a Mead pad, like they have college ruled and they have the wide ruled, and this is only $1 from Target. I would encourage everyone to try some of this stuff because it's really smooth. And if you have a broader nib, it's going to write even smoother. So, I don't know about Clairefontaine. I'm not all about the expensive stuff on this channel. You know, I'm pretty much on a budget, having to pay back school $5,000 a month, and hand insurance, that's $5,000 a month. So, I might be rich, but I'm freaking poor all the time, so... And there's no bleed through on the back of this paper. Totally use the back side of this paper. Alright then, now we're moving on to the CVS caliber notebook, 6 by 4 inch. Monteverde. This is really nice paper too, especially for the size and the price. Like if you're looking for like a simple tiny notebook to just like throw in your bag or whatever, this is really high quality paper, and it rarely bleeds through on almost anything. There are some diamine inks that bleed through and some noodlers that bleed through, but other than that, this is a fantastic paper, and it's super cheap. I think I got this was one that was given to me by pen friend Chris Signs, and when I went to CVS to look for them, they were like $1.98, maybe $2.35. But like super cheap, super affordable, and it's great paper too. Not quite as smooth as the Mead though. The Mead is like super smooth, but this is really nice paper too. Alright then. Moving on, this is Walmart Memo Book by Walmart. Let's see if we can get a thing to cooperate here. Maybe. Crap, you're just gonna have to take my word for it. This is a 3x5 from Walmart. Can you see that? It does say Walmart. At any rate, stupid thing is being stupid. Anyway, Monteverde. Beautiful. Fantastic. It's got some really great shading properties in there. Like, right here where this J is, and this O has a little bit of shading. Gosh, I don't know if you can see it, but it's just a very dark color. Even darker than yesterday's. But like, if you catch the light just right, it's got some fantastic shading properties in here. I'm sorry if I sound raspy. It's really early in the morning. So, my throat hasn't settled in for the day yet. Alrighty then, last but not least, we're looking at the Fabriano Eco Qua. Oh dear, that's really close, isn't it? We're looking at the Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. Alright. Think we can get one more? Let's see. Now this stuff is really slick too. Costs a little bit more money though. So you get 4 of these little Eco Quas for about $9.99, give or take $1. So that means that these are about $2.50 a piece. You have 4 of them for $10. About $2.50 a piece. So, I mean, it's a little more than the CVS caliber notebook, but if you're looking for like instead of a wire bound, a staple bound, this would probably be your best bet. And they're perforated, so you can tear them out really easily if you have to do so, which is really nice. Super nice. Alrighty then. Now, we're going to get into the visual journal, and we're going to do something different today. So, we'll look at yesterday's, and This is what happened yesterday. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see this, but this is fantastic. This is what it's all about, right? This is just, this is the ultimate awesomeness right here. So, and I did a lot of switching around with my finger. So today, we're going to do some finger painting. Let me set this up and I will be right back. Okay, so, today, we're going to do some finger painting. I saw this lady last night on YouTube and she just went all in with her fingers and I was like, that is a brilliant idea. So, we're going to use our fingers to paint today. And this is water, so we're going to draw a line with the Jade Noir. Monteverde Jade Noir. And then she goes in with the color brush. Puts a couple of dots along the line. Then she takes her fingers and she goes like this. And she takes and she goes again. Her line is really thick. And then she goes bloop, 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 bloop. And then she holds it so that it kind of moves a little bit. Oh, wow. That totally worked. She says if it's a little dry, just kind of move it around with your finger a little bit. There we go. I saw another lady, and we'll try that technique tomorrow. She used a spatula, which I thought was super cool. Wow. Another lady used tissue paper. I thought that was crazy looking. She took this tissue paper and she waited till it was dry and then she like dabbed it in water and like all the way across, like all the way across, and it looked like flowers. Super cool. This ink does want to move, but it needs some encouragement. basically draw a landscape with your finger. And then you wait for it to dry a little bit. And once you move it again, it kind of makes like a line. Kind of looks like mountains a little bit. You guys can't see that very good, can ya? And then she takes and she does whoop-de-whoop. It sure moved a lot. That's sure cool. Wow, I think it's done moving, which is really cool. Just kind of like went all over the place. Alright, let's label this one. Jade Noir. And this will be the ink for the day. So that's fun. Anyway, I hope that this was helpful and enjoyable to some of you. I really appreciate all of you making comments and rating the video with a thumbs up and sharing the videos with your friends and making comments about how great the colors are and just being interested in general, which is something that a lot of people have been in the past. And I think that this is the first time this year that I figured out, you know, kind of where my niche is. I've been finding that I really like the fountain pen community. They're great people. They're super understanding, and I don't feel like I'm harassing anybody. In my practicing work, I always feel like I'm harassing people, which, being a physician's not an easy thing to do, but that's just how it is. And I'm really appreciative for everyone, and I just got new ovens today, so I am super stoked to show you guys some cooking videos. So look forward to those, and thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Okay, love you, bye.